Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 96A Armadale Road in Rivervale. This home's on a generous block located in the underground power of Rivervale, which means you're living on a really leafy street. Plus, the owner's done the bathroom and the kitchen for you, so all you have to do is add your final touches to this blank canvas. And as you know, living in Rivervale, we're centrally located to the river, city and the airport. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 96A Armadale Road in Rivervale. Don't miss this opportunity to start your real estate journey in a suburb less than 6 k's from the city, and it won't even break the bank either. For more details about property, please call my mobile, and as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.